Hey team, good morning. Welcome to the Power BI world. We already saw in previous sessions how to install and set up the Power BI on your desktop or laptop. Still you have any questions, you can see the previous video and set up and install on your Power BI desktop on your desktop. Okay, let's see the next step, how to get the data in Power BI. So we go and see the how many data sources we can connect to the Power BI. Just go into the in home tab and there is a get data tab. You can see the common data sources like Excel workbook, data flows, data bus, SQL server, text files, CSV files. When you click on more, you can see there get datas. You can see the all options here. You need to select if file option. You can see the files option, Excel workbook, text CSV, XML file, JSON file, folder. You can connect directly folders. If you have 10 to 15 files, so you can connect with the folder to the Power BI. How can we connect? We can see step by step. You can connect with the PDFs also. Then you can select their databases, means you can connect the data source from the databases also, just like SQL Server database, Access database, SQL, Oracle, IBM NetAZ, MySQL database. The lot of options you have that you can connect the Dremio software, Google Cloud, Dremio Cloud, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud. So you can connect with the all databases to the Power BI. Once upon you can select the Microsoft Fabric. So there is a own Microsoft Fabrics. You can connect with the data sources from their sources. Also Power Platform, Azure. So you can see the Azure SQL databases and all that Azure functions. All that you can connect with the Azure data sources. When you click on the online services, you can see the SharePoint. You can connect with the SharePoint also, Microsoft Exchange Online also, Dynamics also, then Azure DevOps also, Salesforce, Google Analytics. So lot of you can select other. There is other also Hadoop file, the Active Directory, SharePoint list. You can connect 180 plus data sources with the Power BI. Okay, so we are going and connect with the Excel workbook. How to connect with the Power BI. So all of the data sources you have a questions once you connect the different data sources. So how can you import the data in Power BI? We can see step by step. So first of all, go in get data and click on Excel workbook. So when I'm hit that button, Excel workbook, you can see I'm going on my desktop. So whatever you have path, you can go on that path and select the file. So Excel file. Now I'm unable to see the desktop files. Some other files are CSV files. So you can directly connect with the CSV through that file, or if you click on hit button Excel workbook, you need to go here and select the all files. Then are you able to PDF files also and CSV files also? Okay. So I going to select the data, the CSV file, and click and open. Once I am open, click the button of hit open. The data will be automatically downloaded or uploaded in Power BI. So see, this window is coming. First of all, you connect to the Power BI. So you're getting that option file origin, delimiter, data type detections. Based on 100 rows, you can getting the data type or data gateway or data format. All that you can see on this page. So you're getting an option load, transform data and cancel. So sometimes there is unstructured data. So you need to changes in the transform data going to the Power BI query editor. Sometimes structured data is coming, you can directly load it. So you need to the choose option load. So I am selecting load. If there is a unstructured data is coming, okay. So still I am putting that suggestions. You can click on load. Then we can go to the transform data and we can do the changes accordingly. Okay. Okay. So the CSV file is successfully loaded. You can see in data tab, you can see the data is uploaded. And once I'm clicking on that drop down button, you can see the all column names. Okay. The all column names also, and they automatically Power BI converted the appropriate or consistently respective data format they taken as per the columns. Okay. Then we need to see the how data uploaded in correct format or not correct format. So you can see that in the that vision left hand, you can see the table view. If you click on that table view, now when you click on that table view and select the data from here, there is a one data set. Right now you need to select these data set, and you can see the table view is here. The country, city, product category, sum of sales, sum of price, and sum of profit. So all columns are here. Okay. You need to ensure that all columns are uploaded or not. So how can you ensure that? Go to the once again, click on the report view. Okay. And go to the transform data. In transform data, there is options. You can check the all columns are uploaded or all the columns are uploaded with the respective data types or not. Okay. So this is the first step. You need to connect with the data. So how can we import the data in Power BI? Okay. And how can see there is a columns is uploaded or not. Okay. So finally data uploaded in Power BI. Let's see how can we go to transform data or Power BI data and change the data types. Going and clicking on transform data. Once I'm clicking the transform data, there is a one window open, and now you can see in left hand side there is a in queries. You can see the data set. You can see the all columns here, and you can right hand side you can see the query settings. In query settings you can see the applied steps. In applied steps, when you're clicking on source, you're getting a source where you import the data. You can see the path here also. Okay. Then you can click on promoter headers, means it will be automatically taking headers in the structured data sets, and you can see there will be automatically the change the type, means taken a respective format of the data type. So you can see here and click on that, just click on that, you can see you able to change from here the data type. So it will be showing you the text data type. You can click on decimal number, you can change the fixed decimal number, whole number, whatever you want to take a format. You can just click on that and it will be automatically change. Okay. So each and every column you want to check with the correct data type is uploaded or not. Okay. So that's it for today's session. Okay. We are going to see the next sessions how to change the data type for each and every column or with all columns. Okay. If you want to change the data type for simultaneously 3-4 columns, that also we check in the next sessions. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.